Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize content creation? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of science fiction or a far-off future. It's here, and it's integrating itself into our lives in ways we might not even realize. From the recommendations you receive on your favorite streaming platform to the voice assistant on your smartphone, AI is everywhere. Now, let's narrow down our focus to one particular area where AI has been making waves: content creation. You might be wondering, how does AI fit into the creative process? Well, it's not about replacing human creativity, rather it's about enhancing it, making it more efficient, and opening up new avenues for innovation. Think of AI as a power tool in the hands of a skilled craftsman. It doesn't do the work for you, but it can certainly make the work easier and faster. In the realm of content creation, AI can analyze vast amounts of data, spot trends, and generate content at a speed that would be impossible for a human being. It can take care of the more mundane tasks, freeing up creators to focus on what they do best, being creative. The benefits don't stop there. AI also brings a level of personalization to content creation that was previously unattainable. It can tailor content to individual users based on their preferences, behavior, and even mood, making for a more engaging and personalized experience. Now, AI in content creation isn't exactly a new concept. We've seen it in action with tools like ChatGPT, which can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. But what if we told you there's a new player in town that's taking AI content creation to a whole new level? One such tool that is taking AI content creation to the next level is Google's Project Gemini. So, what exactly is Project Gemini? Floating in the vast space of artificial intelligence, Project Gemini is a shining star born out of Google's advanced AI research and development. It's a revolutionary project designed to redefine the boundaries of intelligent content creation, far surpassing its contemporaries in speed, accuracy, and ingenuity. Project Gemini, as the name suggests, is a twofold endeavor. On one hand, it is about creating highly intelligent content, and on the other, it's about doing it faster than ever before. It's the duality of efficiency and intelligence that makes Project Gemini a groundbreaking innovation in the AI world. The origin story of Project Gemini is as fascinating as its capabilities. It is a product of Google, a company that has always been at the forefront of AI technology. Recognizing the growing need for faster and smarter content creation, Google decided to invest its resources in creating an AI that could meet and surpass these needs. Thus, the idea of Project Gemini was born. Project Gemini is not just a tool, but a testament to Google's relentless pursuit of innovation. It is built on the solid foundation of Google's advanced AI research, harnessing the power of machine learning and neural networks to create content that is not only smart but also engaging. It's like having a team of expert content creators working tirelessly, generating high-quality content at lightning speed. But the real magic of Project Gemini lies in its ability to learn and adapt. It's not just about creating content, it's about understanding the nuances of human language, learning from past interactions, and constantly improving. It's about creating an AI that can think, learn, and create like a human, but with the speed and efficiency of a machine. Now, you might be wondering, how does Project Gemini compare to other AI tools out there? Well, let's just say that it's in a league of its own. With its superior speed and intelligent content creation capabilities, it outshines even the most advanced AI tools like ChatGPT-4. Stay tuned to learn about the technology behind this revolutionary AI. Now let's delve into the technical aspects of Project Gemini. Project Gemini, Google's latest artificial intelligence initiative, is a sophisticated and intricate piece of technology. To understand its functioning, let's break it down into simple, digestible components. At the heart of Project Gemini lies an advanced algorithm that serves as the brain of the system. This algorithm is designed to process, analyze, and interpret data at an unprecedented speed. It's like a supercharged engine, capable of handling complex tasks with relative ease. But the algorithm is not working alone. It's supported by a robust machine learning model. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a machine learning model? Well, think of it as a student. Just as a student learns from textbooks, lectures, and practical exercises, a machine learning model learns from data. The more data it processes, the more it learns. It's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and improving. In the case of Project Gemini, the machine learning model is fed with vast amounts of data from various sources. It learns to recognize patterns, understand context, and make predictions. This allows it to generate intelligent content that's not only coherent but also relevant and engaging. Moreover, Project Gemini employs a unique approach called transfer learning. In simple terms, transfer learning is a technique where a model trained on one task is used as a starting point for a model on a second task. This allows Project Gemini to leverage the knowledge gained from processing one type of data to understand and interpret different types of data. It's like learning to play the piano and then using those skills to learn to play the guitar. Another key aspect of Project Gemini is its use of natural language processing, or NLP. This is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives machines the ability to understand, interpret, generate, and respond to human language. So when Project Gemini creates content, it's not just stringing together random words. It's crafting narratives that make sense, that resonate with readers, and that convey the desired message effectively. And let's not forget about the cloud. Project Gemini leverages Google Cloud's powerful computing resources. This gives it the capacity to process massive amounts of data, run complex algorithms, and generate content at a remarkable speed. It's like having a supercomputer at your disposal, so there you have it. Project Gemini is a combination of advanced algorithms, machine learning models, transfer learning, natural language processing, and cloud computing. Each component plays a crucial role in making Project Gemini the intelligent content creation powerhouse that it is. But it's not just about the technology, it's about how these components work together, seamlessly and efficiently, to deliver a superior user experience. In essence, Project Gemini is a technological marvel. But how does it compare to its predecessors? How does Project Gemini stack up against its predecessors, like ChatGPT-4? That's the question on everyone's mind, right? So let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about performance. ChatGPT-4 has shown impressive capabilities, churning out human-like text with a degree of coherence that was previously unseen. It's been a game changer in many ways, setting new standards in the field of artificial intelligence. But Project Gemini? It's like ChatGPT-4 on a whole new level. Project Gemini's processing power and speed are phenomenal, generating content at a pace that leaves ChatGPT-4 in the dust. It's like comparing a race car to a bicycle. Yes, both can get you from point A to point B, but the speed, the thrill, the efficiency, that's where the real difference lies. Now let's move on to efficiency. ChatGPT-4 has been a reliable workhorse, chugging along and producing reasonable quality content with relative consistency. But let's be honest, it has its limitations. It sometimes gets sidetracked, meandering off into irrelevant tangents. Project Gemini, on the other hand, has been designed to stay on point. It's more focused, more precise, and less prone to veering off course. It's like having a seasoned editor on your team, keeping the content tight and on target. Next up, capabilities. With ChatGPT-4, we've seen a leap forward in the AI's ability to understand context and generate relevant content. It's been impressive, no doubt. But Project Gemini takes this to a whole new level. It's not just about understanding the context anymore. Project Gemini can anticipate, adapt, and evolve. It's like having a conversation with a person who not only understands what you're saying, but can also predict what you're going to say next. It's a game changer in every sense of the word. And when it comes to content creation, well, that's where Project Gemini truly shines. While ChatGPT-4 has been a valuable tool for generating content, it's not without its quirks. It sometimes struggles with complex concepts, getting lost in the intricacies and nuances. Project Gemini, however, handles complexity with ease. It's like comparing a student to a master. The student knows the basics, sure, but the master understands the subtleties, the nuances, the layers. That's Project Gemini for you. So to sum it all up, while ChatGPT-4 has been a significant step forward in the world of AI, Project Gemini is a quantum leap. It's faster, more efficient, more capable, and ultimately more human-like in its content creation. It's like comparing a spark to a wildfire. Both can ignite, but one can truly illuminate. Clearly, Project Gemini is a significant step forward in AI content creation. Project Gemini is a game changer, but what does this mean for content creators? Well, let's delve into that. Imagine this, a world where content is created faster, more efficiently, and with a level of innovation that surpasses our wildest dreams. That's the world Project Gemini is ushering us into. With its advanced capabilities, Project Gemini is set to revolutionize the content creation industry. Firstly, let's talk speed. In the fast-paced world of content creation, time is of the essence. Project Gemini, with its high-speed processing and quick output, is a boon for content creators who are constantly racing against the clock. It has the ability to generate intelligent content at a pace that leaves even its closest competitors in the dust. This means creators can focus on refining their ideas and strategies rather than spending countless hours on execution. Secondly, efficiency. Project Gemini isn't just fast, it's smart. It understands context, it grasps nuances, and it learns from its interactions. This means it can generate high-quality content that hits the mark every single time, eliminating the need for endless revisions and tweaks. It's like having a personal editor and brainstorming partner rolled into one. Lastly, innovation. Project Gemini is not just about replicating human-like text generation, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With its ability to understand and generate complex narratives, it offers a new level of creativity and innovation. It opens up a realm of possibilities for storytelling, marketing, and communication that we're only just beginning to explore. So what does this all mean? It means content creators can now focus on what they do best, creating. They can dream bigger, reach higher, and innovate more. They can leave the heavy lifting to Project Gemini, knowing it will deliver fast, efficient, and innovative content every time. The future of content creation is here, and it's called Project Gemini. As we wrap up, let's envision the future of AI in content creation. Imagine a world where content creation is no longer a painstaking process, where ideas flow seamlessly from the ether onto the page, screen, or canvas. This is the future we're heading towards with artificial intelligence and projects like Google's Project Gemini. In the coming years, we expect to see AI tools like Project Gemini evolve to become even more capable and versatile. The technology is still in its infancy, and yet it's already proving its worth. As it continues to learn and grow, its potential is boundless. AI can learn from vast amounts of data at an incredible speed. This ability, paired with the constant advancements in machine learning and neural networks, means that AI could soon understand and mimic human creativity even more closely. It could generate content that is not only grammatically correct and coherent, but also creative, engaging, and tailored to specific audiences. Imagine, for instance, an AI that could write a novel in a matter of days, or create a script for a movie that perfectly caters to the tastes of a particular demographic. Or consider the possibility of AI creating music that resonates with people on a deeply emotional level. These are not wild fantasies, but achievable realities in the not-so-distant future. But it's not just about speed and volume. The true power of AI lies in its ability to handle tasks that are complex, time-consuming, and often tedious for humans. By taking over these tasks, AI allows humans to focus on what they do best, thinking creatively and strategically. In the realm of content creation, this could mean more time for brainstorming, conceptualizing, and refining ideas, while the AI handles the heavy lifting of writing, editing, and formatting. It's like having a tireless assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and always delivers high-quality work. But what does this mean for the industry? Well, it's a game changer. With AI, content creators can produce more and better content. Businesses can reach their audiences more effectively, and consumers can enjoy a wider variety of high-quality content that caters to their tastes and interests. Of course, this doesn't mean that AI will replace humans in content creation. On the contrary, it will enhance human creativity, not supplant it. The role of the content creator will evolve, but it will not become obsolete. Instead, creators will work in tandem with AI, leveraging its capabilities to produce content that is richer, more diverse, and more engaging. And so, as we stand on the cusp of this new era, we can't help but feel a sense of anticipation. The future of content creation is bright, filled with possibilities that we're only just beginning to explore. The possibilities are endless, and the future of content creation is certainly exciting, with AI and Project Gemini leading the charge.